Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing Scratch. Now I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Scratch on how to make your own moving game, basically. So let's get right into it, aka chase game. So first you're going to get rid of the Sprite 1 guy because we don't need him. He's just a little cat. You can do whichever sprite you want. I'm gonna do the, what type of birds are there? I'll do the parrot. So I'm going to make my parrot smaller by tapping on the size or oval thing. I'm going to make him size 50, so he's a little bit smaller. I'm going to make a backdrop. Is there a jungle? Yep, there's a jungle. And then we're going to need a sprite to chase. Worm? No, there's not a worm. That's a problem. Seed? No, that's a watermelon. Nut? Oop. Yeah, let's just go with an apple. So it's trying to eat the apple, which is as big as it. That does not make sense. Let's make it size 30 so I can actually eat the apple. So we're gonna code our parrot now, or whatever sprite you got. So, and also I'm not just going to say what to do, I'm going to tell you what all this means and stuff. So you're going to take when flag clicks, which means when you click this green flag up at the top, something will happen. Now I have to make it do something. But that's just a simple one. Sorry. We're actually gonna do when key pressed, the one key pressed thing. So what this will do is it'll make it so that when you press a certain key on your keyboard, it'll make it do different things. So I'm going to do one up arrow pressed, one down arrow pressed, then one right arrow pressed, and one left arrow pressed. Now we have to code all this. So we're going to do move 10 steps for the up arrow. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. We're going to do change Y by 10. And then for the down arrow, since we're going down, you can see that, hold on. So, do you see how when he's high up, the Y level goes up, and when he goes down, it goes to the negatives? You see that in the, here, I'll circle it when I edit it. So yeah, and then for the down arrow, since it went to the negatives, we'll do negative 10. Then for the right arrow, it's the X now. So when we move it left, it goes to the negatives. Right, it goes to the positives. Does that make sense? Comment down below if that makes sense. So we're going to do change X by 10 when it goes right, because as we said, right goes up, left goes down. So, and then we're gonna do change X by 10, negative 10, just like that. Then we are going to just making sure that my mic's on so I don't waste all this time. Then we are going to test it out. So I will be pressing. Oh, by the way, I have like a Bluetooth keyboard because I own an iPad, not a computer. But yeah. So when I hold down right, it goes right. With left, it goes left. With down, it goes down. And with up, it's going up. But you have to hold it down. Then we're gonna have to like code other things too. Look, I'm holding my apple. I can't hold it. Very disappointing. Yeah, so we have to start coding some more. Also, if you want it to go faster, I guess you could do like 20. That's what I usually do. -20. -20. Then it moves a little bit quicker. And actually, I just thought of an idea. I wasn't originally going to do this, so we're going to learn together if I'm able to do this, but I'm thinking maybe we could like make power-ups to make us faster. Except I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. And maybe it won't work. We'll see. Alright, so now let's code the apple. Actually, no. First go to variables. So a variable is like where you, I don't know how to explain it. It's like you create this thingamajigger. Also, there's my blocks, but I don't want to make one. So it's like you create well, we're going to use a variable for a scoreboard right now. So we're going to do for this sprite only. Then we're going to do, oh, well, what am I thinking? Apples. Okay. Apples. Oh, wait, wrong. Yeah, we can do it. So when flag clicked, forever, if then, so I already told you what when flag clicked is, but forever is like a repeat loop. I call it the repeat loop. It's like it repeats the thing that you put into it. Then the if then is like if something happens, then you just code that. So we're going to go to we're going to go to the sensing area, then touching, we're going to make it so that's parrot. So now it says if touching parrot, so like when it touches the parrot, then what will happen? Well, we're going to make it so that it will glide really fast. Like when I say really fast, I mean really fast. Actually, that might not be fast. I think that's actually how you make it slow. Don't do what I did. So, yeah, let's go with 0.5. So now I'm going to touch it. Yep, it just glides right away. It's actually under the scoreboard, which means, yeah. We're also going to make it so that we're going to put another repeat loop underneath this one. If then go to operators. So if something is, get this one where it says like if something is bigger than this something, then what happens? So we're going to go to our variables, then go to apples. So if the score of the apples goes over, let's go with 100 for now, goes over 100, then we're going to make it so that it's going to, what was I going to say? Yeah, right. Go to control and then go to stop all. And that's going to make the game stop. So let's just, actually we're not going to be able to get any apples because we haven't coded that yet. So this is how you're going to code it. You're going to go to when flag clicked, repeat loop, aka forever. If touching, also I think maybe if I put a repeat, we'll see. Then change apples by 1. Now let's see how it works. Yep. That's weird. We're going to have to make it glide away a little bit quicker. So, dun dun dun. Alright, that gives us no chance to even get it. Then maybe 0.2. That's too much. So how about 0.1? Tell me this isn't too much. Alright, this is the best it's gonna get, I guess. So then you can just do this all day. I'm going to speed it up so that we can get to 100 a lot quicker. Alright guys, we're almost there. I'm going to stop speeding up the video now. And one more. Alright, when it gets to 101, the game stops, the apple stops moving it and everything. And then, since now it's at 100, you would do when flag clicked. You do when flag clicked. Set apples to 0. So that would make sure that when we click the flag, it resets our scores so that's not like, oh yeah, I have 200 trillion now. La 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 la. Hiya, apple. So, thanks for watching. Bye.